friend. Welcome back. Or if you are new here, hi. I'm so grateful that you found this. Time is a very precious one for me too, and I value everything about you and that you get to spend your time with me. And as my gift for you today, I will share with you my recipe for well-being. This so awesomely delicious that you would love to have it for yourself in big portions. Would you love to know what it is? Dig in. I want to know, what is your recipe for your well-being? In my life, my recipe would include the intentionality of empowering and enlightening anyone I come in contact with, regardless of the circumstance. So I always pray that everything in us and between us and around us may be lifted in its highest and most divine order, all in accordance with God's plans. And more than anything, to keep me grounded, I seek to check in with God first. So I would have an eternal perspective when opposition comes. So I would have the strength to persevere in shining God's light from within and blessing the people around me, especially when circumstances are dark. So I will be able to shift my focus off of myself and back to Him. So I will be in the divine position to lead others on what would empower them specifically in their life. So I would always remember His greatness in me. How about you? What's your recipe for your well-being? I offer the suggestion of adding in your recipe of having that confidence in God that everything is working out for your good even when you don't understand. And in continuing to show up the best you can be for yourself and for others. Because honoring yourself and showing up for others, even when the going gets tough, creates seeds of greatness that will bear fruits that last. Know that you are not alone. You and I are in this together. You have different gifts and unique sets of talents and perspectives, but we always work together as one for the greater good. To help you even further in whipping up this recipe, I highly recommend that you become aware of the dominant questions you are asking yourself. Because questions are the answers. The questions you consistently ask shape your life. What do I mean by that? For example, if you keep asking yourself, how do I make this easy? Everything in your life, your intentions and actions would revolve in answering that question. I have known that Will Smith's dominant question is, how do I make this moment more magical? Imagine how your life would be if you create and rest with that question. It will be truly awesome, I believe. So I challenge you to be aware of your dominant question and utilize that to achieve a life that is so worth it for you in every moment. So there you go, friend. You may use this recipe as often as you want in whatever shape or form that suits your fancy. And above all, enjoy the process and the fruits of your labor. I would love to hear from you. Comment below your favorite part of this recipe. Until then, bye!